All right, Joe. So I can already tell that this car is not stock. So I want you to tell me a little bit about how you came about getting it, condition it was in, and what your plan was right from the beginning.
Okay. We purchased the car in Arizona. We found it out there. It was just a nice rust-free car. It was all original paint car. It was all faded from being out in the sun its whole life.
Yeah.
Interior was cooked in it, I guess we'll say.
Yeah.
So we bought the car, and it was actually factory matching color to the other car. So we said, it'd be nice to make a sister car to the one we already have. So we brought the car back, and I told her, I said, well, if we're going to do anything with it, I want to update it. So it'd make it more driver friendly. So we restored the car on the outside so it looks all stock original, but I put modern drivetrain in it, automatic overdrive trans, 4-wheel disc brakes, did all modern updates on it, so driver friendly.
All right, so what kind of engine we got?
It actually has a 2003 Mercury Marauder 4.6 32 valve, automatic overdrive transmission. They used all the Ford wiring and the computer to make the motor run.
Did it have an engine in it when you got it?
It originally had the original 390 motor in it when we got the car, but it didn't run. It was tired. When we purchased the car, we actually had to push it up on the trailer, and that big old boat took about a half a dozen people to get it on the trailer. But we managed, got it home, and as you can see, it's done now.
All right, so part of the restoration, when you're going through the process, did you run into any snafus or anything like that were problem areas?
Not really. Everything actually went real smooth. When I had the car all media blasted, it was just amazing how good the sheet metal still was on the car. That's the way you love Arizona cars. So, as far as, interior and stuff like that, that can always be made. But to try to rebuild the whole body of a car, that's a major task. So I did most of the restoration myself. I actually had a friend of mine that painted both of the cars for us. So it's a longtime friend, and he's a retired Ford employee that did body paint repair for 35 years. And he's been retired, so he actually does it at home now. And, he did a nice job on both of the cars.
That's got to be fun to drive.
Well, I just got it done. Couple days. I've only driven it from the trailer to this spot right here.
So you have to get back home and
got to get back. Well, we're here from Michigan, so we have to wait till we got to wait till the We got to wait till the weather gets a little nicer. But yeah, I'm looking forward to driving it because I'm sure it's going to drive well. Yep.
Well, very nice car, well done. You don't see them too often.
Nope, you don't see too many Mercuries. I mean, Mercuries were a lot fewer than Galaxies.
Right. Well, I love the fact that you actually went with a modern-day Marauder drivetrain on it.
Correct.
That's really cool.
Correct.
Yeah. Well done, man.
Okay.
Well done.
Thank you.
Nice talking to you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Classic Auto. Agreed value, mileage rollover, and tiered mileage plans. Classic Auto, insuring your vehicle, insuring your passion. Call or click Classic Auto today.